Hey, hold on. Hold on, I ain't gonna lie. I already got a feeling this is gonna be better than the first one. Greetings, my empire. Drezel here, back with another video, and today we finna watch That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime, all openings. I know you flinched. I know you feel me now. Listen. Listen. So, Slime. I'm not saying that whole anime name every time, bro. And the crazy thing is, this is not the longest anime name, bro. I remember looking it up, and the longest, and it was like a whole paragraph, bro. It was like, that time I got reincarnated as something something, and I became the best ever. Then I married the princess. Bro, it broke me. But reincarnated as a slime. This is a video I've been wanting to do for a minute. It's been in the vote for a while. I've been wanting to listen to the openings for a minute, bro. I don't know why I did it. Past dreams will be on some shit like, I don't know what I'll be smoking. But we here to see if it got some heat. And the reason, like, I'm doing this now is because I ain't gonna lie, slime been on my mind lately, bro. I've been seeing some things on Instagram that's been like, it was like some Instagram reel. It was like, smile if you could beat Goku. Then the main character for slime was smile, cheek to cheek smiling. I was like, wait, whoa. Then I asked some character references. They was like, yeah, she smokes him. I was like, okay, so I'm here to listen to the heat, but really I'm here to like scan things out to see what this anime really about. Like, in these openings, I better see like a planet explode. I better see planets explode, countries explode. I better see something, cause Goku, you know how I feel. You seen the Sonic, you know how I feel. Look, man, let's get into it. Before we get into it, you already know, hit the like button, subscribe, join the empire. You already know, helps me out, helps the channel out, helps the channel grow. I appreciate the support. And without further ado, let's get in here, bro. Let's see what it's talking about, man. Let's see. What is that supposed to be, a key blast? Get your little ass up out of here. I ain't gonna lie. She is drippy though. I'm not gonna front on the drip. I'm not. You feel me? And to be honest, I don't know if this is a she or a he. So if I'm saying she and it's actually a boy, my bad. I don't know. That's how anime get. I thought Haku. It's starting off good though. Hold on, who this? Alright. Okay. So she is the slime and she could take human form. Okay. Oh, don't think I ain't hear that. No. Listen. Alright. Oh, hold on. She was looking bad over there. Yo, what am I hearing? I ain't gonna lie, he look cold. Wait, what that nigga? What that nigga said? To the east, to the what he said? Hey, hold on. You know I love it when them Japanese niggas start talking English on that John. That was a good starter. I ain't gonna lie. That was a solid starter. You feel me? But so far, I ain't gonna lie. All that see Goku right there. You see he all the way to the right. All that Goku talk. I don't know. Like I don't know. I'm not seeing it. She was fighting a snake. Like a snake. Okay, it was a big snake. Goku ran through Snake away. You feel me? Let's get to the second opening, bro. All right, second opening. Let's get it. Hold on, I ain't gonna lie. I already got a feeling this is gonna be better than the first one. Hold on, you just don't start off like that. You just don't start off like that. You just don't, and it's not fire. Come on. Okay. What's that, her pet? Bro, he look cold. Bro in the red look cold. Wait, it's turning up. It's turning up. Hold on, wait. Get it back in there. Get it back in there. Get it back in. Don't talk to me. Get it back in. Hold on. I'm not sure if that's better than the first one, but that was tough. It was getting mixy. Let's get to the third one, bro. Let's get to the third one. All right, opening 3. I ain't gonna lie. These is giving me fairy tale vibes a little bit. Giving me fairy tale vibes a little bit. Just how the openings look. I don't know. I'm getting fairy tale vibes. It's a little ugly. What is that? Alright. Wait. Why she got the mask on now? Main character turn evil? Hold on. I'm about to tell you the whole story right now. The main character turned evil, bro. Come on. I can already tell. Alright. I feel like those two gonna die. Those two right there gonna die. Okay, wait. Okay, show me some slime. Show me some Show me some slime. Oh, hold on. Whoa. You know I don't skip no fire parts. Let's listen to that again. The fickle crazy. Let's get to the fourth opening. I ain't gonna lie. Nothing has stopped the first opening yet. I'm gonna keep it on it. Nothing has stopped that first opening yet. Let's get to the fourth one, bro. Maybe the fourth one gonna top it. Let's see. All right, fourth opening. Let's get it. Let's get it! Okay. They got the fit on. Oh, I ain't gonna lie. The fit go crazy. I ain't gonna lie. She might be a contender for top. Yeah, I said drippy as enemy. Nah, she gotta compete with all the bleach. I'm sorry. Alright. Why they keep showing this little? Is he cold? Be honest with me. For y'all who what is he cold? Maybe I'm just like, you know what I'm saying, being a dick, bro. But he might be cold. He looked like the cold one at the bottom.
That makes me who I am. Like doesn't fade away. that is better.
Alright.
Yeah, I know it's not an easy road. Even if it rains, don't be scared. I know my mind.
Hold on, he put his hand. Hold on. He might be cold. Anybody put their hand on the camera? Oh, no, you hit a vocal! Why she like vocalizing like that? Like, nah, cause now she getting me tight. Why she vocalizing like that? Stop vocalizing. What you said at the end? Oh, I have to make sure you wasn't talking about me. Cause it was about to be a fight. I thought you said something about my shoes. Like, I don't even got shoes on. You hell yeah, I had. But I ain't gonna lie. What the heck was that noise? I ain't gonna lie. Like, they went 4 for 4. Don't get me wrong. But like, I think them Goku, she could be Goku allegations might be false. Like, they showing space right now. Like, this look like space and all, but it's like, maybe I'm capping. I don't know. But they went 4 for 4 with the openers though. It was bangers. It was absolute bangers. Don't get me wrong. And the characters look cold. You feel me? Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed that. If y'all did, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, join the Empire. Let me know down in the comments what was your favorite part. You feel me? And yeah, that's pretty much it. Dre's Empire out. Let me see. Wait, I almost ended off the video too quick, bruh. There's another one. There's another opening. I don't know where I just looked up opening 5 just to make sure I didn't miss one, and this popped up. I don't know if this is fake. I don't know if this is an OVA. I don't know what this is, but we gonna listen to it, bro. I ain't gonna lie, for a second there, I thought this wasn't even slime. Good thing they just showed these characters. What is it? They look good. Hold on, the beat. Hey. Oh, he cold? Okay, talk! They look like brothers. They gotta be brothers. Come on. Look at the eyes. Wait, whoa. She need help, like, I don't know. hold on. Yeah. So, some sort of homunculus? That still didn't beat the first. I ain't gonna lie, the first opening reigns supreme, bro. Ain't nothing touched the first opening yet. Like, nah, there's just things that touched it, but nothing surpassed it, bro. But it's still the same thing, bro. I mean, she looked like she was going crazy. Oh no, man. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Dreams will probably out. I'm gonna see y'all.
Gotta hold my ground. Smile left and I lost and found. I don't cheese, I'ma walk and frown. Hey, you up, can you hold me down? Spin it up, cause I know you round. Left phone, what happens now? Been around, look what I got. Back wound and a face on clown. And it's cool. Got a pill for you if you choose to swing that move.